So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn about Nodemon. So Nodemon is npm package, and using this package we automatically restart the server with code changes. So first we install Nodemon and npm install Nodemon. So in package.json's one dependency is added, which is Nodemon. And if we change any changes uh, after, at first we start our backend server using node server.js, but at that time we use nodemon server.js, and our server is listening on port number 5000, and sending response sending a request to the server, which is get request. So we received one response, which is this is a home page, this is home page, and here we change some changes in code, like hello, hello, I am a default root. So in this case we did not like in this case we do not restart the server, because Nodemon automatically restart our server with code changes, and now changes reflect, because if we making get request and send request to the server, we received hello, I am a default root. So this is use of Nodemon to automatically restart server with code changes, and you can install this nodemon npm package globally. So it is up to you. You can install locally or you can install globally. Okay.